Today, the types we are going to see the types of anxiety disorder. Before that, we have completed in our previous videos the historical aspects, epidemiological statistics, how much is too much. So these three subcategories already we have completed. So in this video, we are going to see about types in these panic disorders. We are going to see. Okay. So panic disorder, it is characterized by recurrent panic attacks. It means again and again, weekly, twice, thrice, or monthly. It will again and again. It will come. Suddenly, it will come. Unexpected time, it will come. It will land. Then again, it will go. Then again, it will come. That's why the patient will get always in trouble. He don't know when he will get the anxiety symptoms because it will affect the patient's, the person's regular activities. Maybe he is any happiest moment. So suddenly, because of this panic attack, he lost the control. He lost the control, and he cannot able to enjoy the moment. The onset of which is unpredictable because he don't know when it will come. So manifested by intense apprehension, fear or tremor. So always he will be in fear. So what will happen when it will happen? So like that he will search on the difficulties always. Often associated with feelings of impending doom. So that's what we are telling. He will think what the when the problems come. So like that he will predict the problems because anytime he is getting attacks. So that's why always he will expect the problems, but he don't know when it will happen. So that will make him to conflict because of this problem, because of this panic disorder. So and also it is accompanied by intense physical discomfort. Because of this he will feel headache, body pain, backache, neck pain. So this type of physical discomfort he will feel. So so this is the most predominant signs and symptoms or characters seen in panic disorders. Okay, the disorder is characterized by recurrent panic attacks, uh, then the onset of which is unpredictable, and it is fear, tremor, and apprehensions will be there, and impending doom, always expect something abnormally, and physical discomfort always will be there. So this is about panic disorder. This is about the characteristics of panic disorders. So these also we can say signs and symptoms also. Some other signs and symptoms that we can see now, that is palpitation, pounding heart, accelerated heart rate, changes in abnormal changes in the heart functioning. Then sweating will be there. This is common, everyone knows. If any fear, any anxiety comes, immediately our body will get sweats, and shivering will be there, and shortness of breath. So difficult to take breath or shortness of breath will be there. This is mostly when we experience this shortness of breath when we doing any work, hard work. After working that we will feel the shortness of breath. But here without that, in the anxiety time we will feel a shortness of breath. So that is the problem. Then choking will be there, and chest pain, then abdominal discomfort, maybe nausea will be there, vomiting sensation that is will be there, then abdominal discomfort will be there. Some people will get diarrhea, that problems will be there, and feeling dizzy, unsteady lightening or faint, headache, that problems will be there. These are all signs and symptoms. And derealization, the person feels he is away from the reality. So whatever happening surrounding him, that looks like it's in different world. So he is away from the reality. So that is called derealization. And depersonalization, he feels he is different from others. He looks like different. So personally he is detached. That condition is called depersonalization. And crazy, like mad type activities will be there, and fear of dying. So the individual will think somebody is there surrounding me, he is trying to kill me. So that type of fear of dying, otherwise I will die, so everybody is cheating me, that type of thoughts will start. That also will be there in this anxiety, that is fear of dying we are telling. And numbness, tingling sensations will be there, and chills, suddenly the individual get chills. Otherwise he will get hot flashes we are telling, heat he will feel. Any one condition will he will feel immediately when he get panic anxiety. So these are the other signs and symptoms. Then this mostly this panic disorder accompanied with agoraphobia. Agoraphobia means uh, it is the fear of being in a places or a situation from which escape might be difficult. The person thinks from this place I cannot go anywhere because of these conditions. That time he will feel anxiety because of that phobia. For examples, you can see this picture. So this is a celebration is going on, say some celebration. In this, in between, if one individual struck and he is having agoraphobia, then surely he will get anxiety because of fear. He will think how I will go out, otherwise I will die because of this crowd. So that makes him to get anxiety. Otherwise, if he in any single as a single person staying in home, nobody is there, surrounding nearby, no home is there, nobody is standing outside. So that time he will feel go outside also. Maybe this house is in inside the some forest area. Otherwise, forest look alike forest area. So he feel some if I go outside, animals will come. Otherwise, any thieves will be there, otherwise killers will be there. So that's why he will feel anxiety. So when he feels something will happen if I go outside or if I stay alone, that time he will get anxiety. That is because of phobia, the anxiety is arising. So mostly this anxiety arising because of this phobia. This person stuck in the uh, this crowd. So if he feels I cannot escape from this crowd, or everybody is may disturb her, that time he will get anxiety. Okay, but when the condition actually is not there, what individual is thinking, that time we are telling this is abnormal anxiety. If actually the patient, you see, this is a lady surrounding by some males are there, so naturally she will get anxiety. That is actually comes under normal anxiety. But only based on her thinking, she is thinking she is not able to escape from this crowd. If because based on that thinking, if she is getting anxiety, that comes under the abnormal anxiety. And suddenly, and she is not able to tolerate the condition or situation, that leads to sweating, palpitation, tingling sensation, and headache, abdominal discomfort. If she feels that and all makes her become these anxiety disorders. It is comes under anxiety disorder. Okay. So here, because of phobia, if the individual is getting anxiety, then it is comes under anxiety disorder. So this is about anxiety. Over. So next video we can see generalized anxiety disorder. Thank you.